15 cute things girls do that drive men crazy. Today we bring you a list of 15 adorable things that girls do, and guys absolutely adore. Typically, girls don't have to put in much effort to win over a guy's heart. Men are naturally drawn to things that are visually appealing. Luckily, there are plenty of cute things that girls do that capture a guy's attention. Being aware of these behaviors can also help enhance your relationship. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. 1. While girls often have a tendency to wear makeup whenever they step out of the house, guys actually find their natural look irresistible. Though they do appreciate a glamorous appearance, a girl's ease and confidence shine through when she feels comfortable enough to go without makeup. Plus, it's endearing when a girl wears a natural look around her guy. 2. Whether a girl is whispering her guy's name in public or calling it out in the bedroom, guys find it incredibly appealing. Even a simple hello can make a guy feel giddy inside. It's these small gestures that help to keep the spark alive in a relationship. 3. Guys absolutely love it when their girlfriends wear their shirts and t-shirts. Not only do they look adorable in oversized clothing, but there's also a sense of safety and security that comes with seeing their girlfriend lounging around in their clothes. It's a sign that they feel comfortable with each other. 4. There's something about a girl wearing glasses that guys find cute and even sexy. It could be because it evokes teacher fantasies, or perhaps there's just something inherently attractive about a girl who looks a little geeky. Whatever the reason, it definitely works. 5. It takes a special kind of confidence to pull off the bedhead look, but when a girl does it, it's incredibly alluring. It's a sign that she's comfortable in her own skin, and that she doesn't feel the need to be perfectly put together all the time. Most guys find this raw and natural state of vulnerability irresistible. 6. When a girl bites her lips, it can be a flirty gesture that catches guys' attention. However, if it's done unconsciously, it can add to her charm and make her guy fall in love with her all over again. 7. A genuine and free-spirited laugh can be infectious and irresistible to guys. When a girl laughs honestly, even if it's just a giggle, it can make guys feel more at ease and more attracted to her, especially if they're the ones making her laugh. 8. Girls' hair can be attractive in itself, but playing with it adds to that appeal. Guys like it when girls play with their hair, whether it's intentional or not, because there's something magical and attractive about it. They also see it as a sign of interest, which adds to its appeal. Whether a girl is twirling her locks or tucking them behind her ears, it's cute, graceful, and feminine. 9. Girls often have to stand on their tiptoes to reach high places, which guys find cute and can't get enough of. Whether she's reaching for something in a store or at a guy's place, guys will take their time before offering to help because they're admiring the view. 10. Guys find it cute when a girl wears a baseball cap forwards, but not when she's just taking a cheesy selfie. It's more attractive when a girl buys her own hat and wears it properly, even if she looks a little awkward. 11. Girls can be scared of rational or irrational things, and guys find it fascinating how they can be strong in some aspects of life, but scared of small things like spiders. Even though they may find it amusing, guys are willing to protect girls and kill those creepy crawly bugs. It allows them to step up and be the protector, which is attractive to them. 12. Guys love it when they find girls who share similar interests, especially when it comes to sports and video games. Girls who are adventurous and fun-loving, and show support for their interests drive guys crazy. Although not all girls are into these activities, when they join in and show their interest, it is adorable. 13. Guys appreciate it when girls try to cook and show their affection, even if they're not the best chefs in the world. Even if the attempt does not turn out as expected, the effort is still acknowledged. 14. Guys find it adorable when girls have pleading eyes, especially in the morning when they wake up wrapped in a blanket, with a lost look in their eyes. This holds true at the start of a relationship or fling, as well as throughout the entire relationship. 15. Although some guys may say they don't like to cuddle, when they are in love with the girl, they will want to cuddle with her all the more. Having the girl they love wrapped up in their arms makes them feel good, whether she is clinging to his neck when they see each other, lying across his lap while watching a movie, or using his entire body as a source of heat and bed. What do you think about the list? Are there any other adorable things that girls do which guys adore? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to check out our other videos too. Thank you for watching.